Hi, this is Jim with Pool Deck Drain Janitor. Today we're going to do a video on installing the Pool Deck Drain Janitors on the 1.5-inch V-top deck drains. The reason we're showing this is because it has two sidewalls that need to be cut out when you're installing it, so we thought this would be a good time to do that. First thing you want to do is install your template. Make sure you've got room to put the deck drain janitor on. I'm going to cheat it this way a little bit. Perfect right there. So first thing you want to do is tape your template into place so it doesn't move when you're marking it. Now we're using some nice wide tape. You want to center it side to side and put it in an area where you can cut out some of the solid parts of the drain. You mark the edges where the drain goes with a Sharpie. Don't worry about the Sharpie marks, they're going to be covered up. The other area that you need to cut on this is inside the bottom of the V-grooves. That whole area is going to be cut right out. You don't have to mark it. I'm just doing that for a reference for you. Now that your template's marked, peel that off. You can leave the tape attached if you'd like for the next location. And that's when we start to cut. It's going to take a little time here. Once you're done cutting out those edges, you want to be sure to try to square up the edges here. This should come off in one piece. So on this side, I didn't cut through the second wall, so I'll have to cut it again from the other direction. So this is where you can see the two sidewalls that you have to cut through on this little flange right here. So not only do you have to cut through the top edge when you're trimming this out, you have to trim through this secondary edge on the inside. And that gives you access to put your hose in here to flush it out. Once you get your hose in to flush it out and you're all flushed out, you simply take your Pool Deck Drain Janitor, you hook it on one side, lift it slightly in the middle, release it, and it snaps right into place. You can paint it to match the color of your existing drains, and to get it out, you slightly push on one edge, or get something underneath the bottom like a screwdriver to slightly lift it, keeping pressure in one direction. While lifting, you put your finger under and lift that tab out, pull it right out. Now you're ready to clean it again the second time. And if you have any questions as you're going along, you can give us a call or send us an email at pooldeckdrainjanitor.com. Thank you, and I hope this helps.